Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Kalazgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmani. I am your computer teacher. What we started in last period? Yes, we started our lesson number 7. Now, firstly we see what we discussed in last period. We discussed the paint tools. We will see which tools we discussed. First one tool is pencil tool. What is the use of pencil tool? This tool is used for drawing in freehand. Next tool is brush tool. Brush tool is like a line tool, but by using the brush tool we can draw object with a thick line. Next is the airbrush tool. What is the use of airbrush tool? Airbrush tool is used to spray different color on the drawing in the drawing area. Next tool is text tool. If you want to write, then text tool is useful. Next is the eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase the part of drawing or erase it completely. Next one is rectangle tool. If you want to draw circle or square, then rectangle tool is useful. Next one is a rounded rectangle tool. Rounded rectangle tool is like a rectangle tool drawing, but the boxes of the different size and shape, size and type. Then what is the difference between rounded rectangle and rectangle tool? Don't see in your book. What is the difference between that? Good. Rounded rectangle, we can draw box with a rounded corner. Next one is the ellipse or oval tool. Ellipse or oval tool. If you want to draw circle or oval, then ellipse or oval tool is useful. Next one is a line tool. What is the use of line tool? If you want to draw a freehand shape, freehand line, then we can take a line shape and we can draw different thickness of lines. Next one is a fill with color tool. We draw some shape and we want to give color, then fill with color tool is useful. Till here we studied in last period. Now we will see next part. When we are using the fill with color tool, the figure or drawing must be closed. If it is not closed, then what will happen? We will see. You can take a mouse pointer in any enclosed figure, any enclosed picture, and click to the fill with color, fill in the selected color. Note, when you are using the which tool it is? Fill with color tool. Ensure that the drawing should be bounded on all sides. Means like that figure if you draw and if you give color, then what will happen? We will see here. Select the fill with color tool. Fill brown color in the mountain. Left click and observe that the brown color has filled in the entire screen. Why? The reason is the same, that your picture of mountain was not enclosed properly. We will see here. Suppose we will take this. How to draw? Firstly, only left click of the mouse and then take our cursor in where? In drawing area, and then continuously press and hold the mouse and drag the mouse. And how to give color? It is, what it is name of this tool? Fill with color tool. What is the spelling of color? C-O-L-O-R, not a C-O-L-O-U-R. In computer, what is the spelling of color? C-O-L-O-U-R, not C-O-L-O-U-R. U is not here. C-O-L-O-R. C-O-L-O-R, color. Then take this fill with color tool and we will give here only brown color and brown color. This figure is enclosed, then the color will not go outside. Now we will draw by using pencil. Firstly we will take new. Where is the pencil? Yes, it is a pencil tool, and we will draw one mountain. And now we will give one color or brown color. We can give any color. How to give color? Select the fill with color toolbox and select the color and then give color. How to give color? Which button we must have to press? Mouse left button for the first color, and for the second color mouse right button. Now we selected the brown color as a first color, then we must have to click the left button. Why? What happened? The color is set as a full color, full page. Why? Because see here, this line is not enclosed. Here this line is not enclosed. That's why the color is set as a full page. Understand? If the figure is enclosed, then and then we can give color to that particular shape. Otherwise color will be spread to the full page. Got it? What is the reason? Because picture of the mountain was not properly enclosed. Clear? And now we are using the brush tool. Use the brush tool to enclose the gap. We will take new one. Instead of using the which color? Fill with color. If we use the brush tool, then the color will not spread as a full page. We will take same color. Here you can see gap is there, but if I give like that, then color will be not set as a full color. Color will not set to the full page. Where we are giving color, there only color will be come. Got it? Now point to remember. Whenever you are filling color in the drawing and the color shape out become of the gap, don't close or delete your drawing when the point undo from the edit menu on the menu bar. The undo option will revise the previous action. If you press the undo, then it revises the previous option. In the earlier example of the mountain began filled with brown color, one can click and use the undo button to remove the brown color from the screen. Note, close the gap and then use the fill with color tool in the fill in color only in the mountain. Means if you not only mountain, if you want to give color by using fill with color tool, then the figure must be enclosed. If it is not enclosed, then what happen? Then this color will become as a full page or full screen. Now we will solve skill sheet of this chapter. Open your skill sheet. What is the page number? Page number 29. What is the first one? Draw and paint the following. It is the lab activity. Draw and paint. How to draw flower you know very well, and how to give color by using fill with color tool. By using shape tool, we can draw this flower, this downside shape also, and by using line tool we can draw line. Next, second one is how to draw a name, how to write a name by using text tool, and how to draw different these lines. Third one, lines, how to draw this line by using line tool. And next one, turn the page, how to draw this. These are only circles and line. How to draw and how to draw these also steps are given. If you having computer at home, then practice for that. Next is a match the correct tool with its name. Means tool is there and tool of the pictures are there and name is there, and we must have to match. First one, tool name is, write with me fast. First one, tool name is, which tool it is? Brush tool, pencil tool, eraser tool, line tool. Which tool is? What is the name of this tool? Good. Line tool. What is the number of line tool? D. Then we will write here D. Next one is, you can see downside brushes are there. Then what is the name of this tool? Good. Brush tool. What is the number here? A. Next one, everyone having book, then see in your book. What is the name of this tool? Yes, pencil tool. Then which number it is? B. Then we will write here B. Next one is, what is the picture? Which picture it is? Eraser tool. Nice. Then it is C. Line tool, brush tool, pencil tool, eraser tool. Write down this fast. Next one, match the correct tool with its function. Function means what? What is the use? Why we are using this? First one is a line tool. Why we are using the line? Clear mistakes. Draw freehand drawing. Draw a straight line. Draw freehand drawing of different shapes and size. What is the use of this line? Draw a straight line. Means which number? Third. C number. C. Then we will write here only C. Next one is brush tool. What is the use of brush tool? Good. Draw a freehand drawing of a different shape and size. Then it is a B1. Next one, third one, pencil tool. Pencil tool. What is the use of pencil tool? Good. What is the use of pencil tool? Draws a freehand drawing. What is the number? B. Then we will write here B. And last one, eraser. Eraser tool. What is the use of eraser tool? Clears mistakes. A1. First one, line tool is useful for draws of straight line. Brush tool is useful for drawing freehand drawing. Draws a freehand drawing of different shapes and size. Pencil tool, use of pencil tool, draws freehand drawing. And last one, eraser tool. What is the use of eraser tool? Clears mistakes. Clear? Next, turn the page. Finish this. Finish everyone. Write down fast. Finish. Then we will solve next. Using the airbrush tool. By using the airbrush tool, draw a following scenery in the paint program and fill it using the airbrush tool. Means this scenery we have to draw in a which tool? In a paint. How to take this? Brush tool, airbrush tool, and got it? How to draw? If you having computer at home, then do practice. Next color, red color. Clear how to draw? By using airbrush tool, for each and everything we must have to press the mouse left button continuously. Next is a second one question. Draw a few fruits and fill in the proper color the fruit using the airbrush tool. How we can draw the fruits? By using airbrush tool. Third one, using the ellipse tool. What is the use of ellipse tool or oval tool? To draw a ellipse or oval. Draw and color the following. Ellipse tool to draw the circle. What is the use of ellipse tool? To draw the circle. Use the line tool for the thread and then use fill with color to color the balloons. How to draw? By using ellipse tool. If you want to draw and line tool for the line and give colors by using fill with color. Which color you want? Give different color. Got it? And if you want to draw eyes, then also which shape is useful? Good. Ellipse or oval. Now next is using the rectangle tool. What is the use of rectangle tool? Use the rectangle tool to draw and use fill with color tool to fill the color. What is the use of rectangle tool? To draw a circle or square. By using rectangle tool we can draw these shapes, and by using fill with color we can give the color. Next one, draw a building using the rectangle tool. Draw a window in square shape using rounded rectangle tool and fill with color using the fill with color tool. These are the rounded rectangle tool and this is the only rectangle tool. Next one, using the text tool. What is the use of text tool? If you want to write, then text tool is useful. Make the following label for your computer book in a rectangle box. Use the rectangle tool for the label. Next one, write the quotation in rectangle box using the following option. Means if you want to draw anything, then which shapes are useful? If you want to draw circle, then circle or oval shape is useful. If you want to draw square or rectangle, then rectangle tool is useful. And if you want to write, then text tool is useful. Now turn the page. Read everyone. What is the question? Create the following drawing and color them and mention the tools used by you while drawing them. Means we have to draw this shape in a paint, and for drawing these shapes are useful. We have to note down here. For drawing this shape, which shapes are useful? You can see it is the corner are rounded, then first one is a rounded rectangle tool. Next, second one is, you can see first one is rounded rectangle tool, then inside that which tool? Rectangle tool. Good. Rectangle tool. And you can see in between that rounded rectangle and rectangle tool, what is it? Yellow color. If you not see here clear, then see in your book. Which shape it is? For giving color, fill with color tool and oval tool. Oval tool is useful for write this or draw these circles. And for giving this yellow color, fill with color tool, and for giving this red color also, which color? Which tool? Fill with color tool. Now for the second one. First tool is rectangle tool, and for writing which tool is useful? Text tool. Good. For writing, text tool is useful, and you can see this side flowers are there. Which tool is useful for draw the flowers? Yes, good. Oval tool. And last one, for giving color, which tool is useful? Fill with color tool. Write down fast. Rectangle tool is useful for draw rectangle. Then text tool is useful for writing. Next one is the oval tool. Oval tool is useful for draw the flowers. And last one is fill with color tool for the fill the color. What is the spelling of color? C-O-L-O-R, not a C-O-L-O-U-R. C-O-L-O-R, color. Fill with color tool. Write down fast. Now see third one picture. For drawing these circles, which tool is useful? Oval tool. Then triangle tool, then rectangle tool, and then fill with color tool. Where is the triangle tool? Triangle tool is here, and rectangle tool, and then fill with color tool. Next is for first rectangle tool, then inside that rectangle tool is also there, then 2 times rectangle tool, Then for drawing these shapes, pencil tool, and for giving color, which tool? Fill with color tool. Good. Now fifth one, oval tool. Good. For drawing this circle, oval tool is useful. Then drawing this middle one, then which tool is useful? Good. Rectangle tool is useful, or diamond tool. Not a rectangle tool, diamond tool. Diamond tool. Then line tool. Why? Because upper side line is there. Line tool. And for giving color, fill with color tool. What is the spelling of color? Fill with color. 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 Now sixth one, write down fast. If you not write down with me, then no problem. I will send you one PDF. That time complete your skill sheet. Finish. Write down fast. Now sixth one. First one is line tool. Then downside triangle tool, and for giving color, fill with color tool. Three tools only. Sixth one, line tool, triangle tool, fill with color tool. Now seventh one, write down fast. Seventh one, first one is rectangle tool. Then inside the rectangle tool, which tool? Give answer. Inside the rectangle tool, which tool you can see? Good. Oval tool. And for giving color, which tool is useful? Fill with color tool. Write down fast. If you not complete with me, then no problem. I will send you PDF, but complete your skill sheet. Finish. Turn the page. 8-1. First one is diamond tool. For why diamond tool? For this shape, diamond tool. Next one is triangle tool. You can see small triangles are there. Triangle tool. Then line tool is for this line tool, and for giving color, this all color, fill with color tool. Next one, for drawing this, which tool is useful? Rectangle tool. Good. You can see small circles are there. For drawing circles, which tool is useful? Oval tool. Good. And for drawing this shape of fish, pencil tool. And for giving color, this color and this color, fill with color tool. Write down fast. Diamond tool, triangle tool, line tool. By mistakenly I write here 2-time tool. Write 1 time only. Line tool. Then fill with color tool. For 9th one, rectangle tool, oval tool, pencil tool, fill with color tool. Finish. Now 10th one, you only give answer. Now which tool is useful? For drawing this, which tool is useful? For writing this, which tool is useful? Text tool. Firstly, for drawing this, line tool is useful. Then For drawing the circle, which tool is useful? Oval tool. Then text tool, and for giving color, fill with color tool. Now for drawing this last shape, first one is rectangle tool, then oval tool, and then fill with color tool. For this one, 10th one, line tool, oval tool, text tool, and fill with color tool. For 11th one, rectangle tool, oval tool, fill with color tool. Now what is the homework for you? Complete the skill sheet. If you not complete with me now, then no problem, I will send you PDF. That time complete your skill sheet. Thank you.